Objektif kali ini adalah describe different type of triggers, describe database triggers and their use, create database trigger, describe database trigger, firing rules, remove database trigger. Okay, type of trigger. A trigger is a PL/SQL block or PL/SQL process associated with table view schema or the database. Execute implicit whenever a particular event takes place. Can be either application trigger or whenever an event occurs with a particular application. Database trigger whenever a data event such as HTML or system event such as login or shutdown occurs on a schema or database. Widliness for designing triggers. Design triggers to is when perform related action, centralize global operation, and do not design trigger when where function is already put into the Oracle server, and the duplicate other triggers. Restore, produce, and evoke them in a trigger if the PL/SQL code is very lengthy. The excessive use of triggers can result in complex interdependencies which may be difficult to maintain in a large application. Create table trigger. A trigger statement consists of trigger timing for table before, after, and for view instead of. Trigger event insert, update, or delete table name on table view. Trigger tab throw or statement when closed a restricting conditional. Trigger body PL/SQL block. DML trigger component. Trigger timing. When on the trigger fire before, execute the trigger body before the triggering DML event on table. After, execute the trigger body after the triggering DML event on table. Instead of execute the trigger body instead of trigger statement. This is used for viewer they are not otherwise modifiable. DML trigger component. Triggering user event with DML statement because the trigger to execute. You can use any of following: insert, update, and delete. DML trigger component. Trigger table show the trigger body execute for each statement effect or only once. Statement. The trigger body execute once for the triggering event, or the triggering body execute once for each row affected by the triggering event. Trigger body. The trigger body is a PL/SQL block or a call to a procedure. Firing sequence. Is the following firing sequence for a trigger on table. When a single row manipulates the statement, seperti dalam contoh, insert into department atau yang berisi department ID, yang kedua adalah department name, location ID yang diisikan 400, counseling dan 2400. Ini contohnya update employee set salary kali 1,1 di mana departemennya adalah 30. Oke, syntax for creating table statement trigger. Sintaknya adalah create of replace trigger. Nama triggernya adalah trigger name, timing, event on table trigger body. Note, catatan adalah trigger names harus unique with respect to other triggers in the same schema. Example, create audio plus trigger yang menata score EMP for insert into employees begin to char ini to char insertion or to char set H24MT and between 8 sampai 18 there is application error. You may insert into the employees table only during business hours. Jadi harus lain dari di luar dari 8 dan 15. Jika Anda menginputkan selain syarat itu akan jadi error. Oke, testing score EMP. Insert to employees EMP idea, first name, email, diisi itu. maka akan error dikarenakan you may insert employee table only during business hours, jadi harus di luar dari yang itu sysdate day-nya dan 08 itu seperti syarat-syarat itu. Oke. Lalu using conditional precision, virtual replace trigger secure CMP before insert or update delete on employees begin if to charge is that day in session or to charge is that H24 not between 08 dan 15, then if deleting raise application error jadi banyak sendiri dan LCF nya adalah insert dan selanjutnya adalah updating. Creating HTML of trigger misalnya adalah create or replace trigger name, timing event or event 2 or event 3 on the table, referring all and new as new for each row when conditionnya adalah trigger dan trigger body example-nya. Create or replace trigger listing salary before insert of update of salary on employee for each row begin if not new job in AD price and AD VP and salary lebih dari 15.000 dan raise application error adalah kembali cannot run the amount keterangannya. Using old and new qualifiers, langsung lihat value ya, adalah user says that ada old employee ID dan last name juga old, last name new, and job ID nya old, job ID nya new, dan salary old dan salary new. Using arrow trigger, so terlihat creating of instead of trigger setelahnya seperti ini. Secara umum kalau different between database trigger and source produce trigger and produce perbandingannya. Define the create trigger, create procedure, dictionary content source, user trigger dan source, dan invoke dan invoke ada sama-sama ada commit dan save point namun tidak, dan ada yang prosedur bisa di rollback dan trigger tidak bisa. Manage trigger, disable trigger bisa alter trigger name, disable atau enable, dan ada enable maka alter enable, disable enable alt trigger, recompile trigger, alter trigger name compile, drop trigger maka to remove trigger, drop trigger contohnya adalah secure map maka keterangannya adalah trigger drop. Trigger execution model and after checking exit all before startup trigger, look for is row affected. Execute all before row trigger, execute after row trigger, execute the time statement perform in the critical train checking, execute all after trigger statement. Trigger execute model after checking. Example, update employee set department ID maka kita cek yang department ID nya jelas 99, dan jika yang terakhir maka update employee set maka jika kita memakai yang terakhir bisa diletakkan di bawah setelah teman maka bisa ditaruh di bawah update employee set department ID nya sama. Oke, after settlement trigger contohnya after, dan ini adalah afternya. Oke, demo satu PKG sebagai requestnya contohnya Farpak. Oke, using use return the value PKG variabelnya, demonstrate using audit and procedure. Oke, itu dulu dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.